With me now is the eternal optimist,
yes.
or bull.
Did you notice in that promo there's only a buy button?
The S&P 500 index is officially in bear market territory, down 20% from its 2011 high.
Yes.
How do you feel today, Paul?
Now that is a shocker.
Yes.
So the way they measure these things, if the market's down 20%, then it's officially in bear market territory. But I mean, if you've watched the curve of 2011, the stock market takes off quite well, then it sort of drifts around in the middle. The big fall there in sort of late July, August, and then since then we've kind of had this frequency at a lower level, and now we've dipped lower. But you know, I mean, 20% down, bear market, you know, it's interesting. Some people will take what has happened since 2001 just about and say, oh, well, we had a little bit of an improvement in the middle, but we've been in bear market territory ever since then. Others will say, no, like me, that we've been recovering since the unnecessary sell-off in 2008. And that we're just, you know, marching onwards and higher. Nobody ever knows. It's all going to be in the data. For the moment, people want to be selling stocks more than they want to be buying them. What can I say?
Year to date, JSE all shares down around almost 6%, just over 5% down. So we've actually really done
it's a bit
well.
more by now.
No, I checked the numbers. Year to date, around there, just over 5%, 6% or so. So it's not bad relative
Before
to
the
what
market today down.
Since the beginning of the year to date.
Yeah. Okay.
S&P 500 is down 20%. So we've
Yes.
actually done quite well relative to what we said.
Yeah, and I guess the difference is probably in a deterioration of the rand, because that's prevented markets, you know, by adjusting because of our big rand hedges. Plus, of course, we have slightly different markets. I think we did quite well before, and you know, it's always a game of relatives.
Yes.
But we do follow. I mean, it's really this big global macro trade happening out there where everything is going up or everything's going down. It's not our fault specifically, it's more a global
So
thing.
the iPhone 5 is coming out. We can expect the iPhone 20 in a few years' time.
Yes,
You must
so
be quite excited.
I think the moral of the story is even in bear markets, somebody out there is killing it. And in this instance, Apple is the company that's killing it. They're bringing out, apparently anyway, the iPhone 5 tonight. It'll no doubt be on CNBC.
Bigger screen, lighter.
Yeah, all that stuff, and a new operating system. We don't know for sure, but we know that some of the mobile companies have already ordered like 30 million phones because they reckon they can sell them. But understand that it's really only in the US, Europe, and parts of the rest of the world where Apple dominates. You know, in the rest of the world, there's still plenty of market for them to expand. So out with the doom and gloom.
What's the point of buying an iPhone 4 or even 5 if you know next year they're going to come up with another model?
Well, you know, you have to buy what's available in the stores. And the iPhone 4, I can tell you, is a fabulous phone. And it's still going to be fabulous even though there's an iPhone 5.
Paul Theron from Vestac, thank you so much for joining.